Team Assessment, The Leadership Team of Magnuson, Inc. by Marilyn Espana. What is an assessment? An assessment is a test with questions about how someone might behave, feel, or think in a particular situation. This helps the individual find their personality type. So why are these tests important? So personality tests help a company place team members accordingly to fit the needs of the company, also allowing for coworkers to know each other better. Pros and cons. First, we'll start with the pros. These tests help understand employees' thought process. They can show areas for growth, help create better communication, and show how employees prefer to interact and work. This can also reveal motivators and aspirations. The cons are that these tests can offend employees and some might just reject such tests. Some are not accurate in their questioning and they can be cheated. Some profiles might be just too broad. Also, these tests could put someone in a box of ideas. However, most personality types are considered within a test. Benefits of assessments. The benefits of these tests are that it helps to better place employees, it accommodates the employee in role clarity, it gives the opportunity for the employee to be placed in the department that they enjoy best. It also creates union and fellowship within the team. In conclusion, these are the benefits of test assessments. So where can I find one? You're welcome to take a free personality test at 16personalities.com. Here you will find most personality types, and in the end of the results you will get a thorough explanation of the personality type that fits your answers. Thank you.